What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time here, you might not know that when it comes to circ saws, my favorite is Skilsaw's worm drive corded 15 amp powered brushed beast of a circular saw with a 7 1/4 inch blade. I love it. It's my favorite circ saw. I plug it in, I get to work, and quite frankly, it's never really bothered me that I gotta go searching for an outlet. And if I got some peeps, I gotta plug in with, I bring my little adapter. But I don't mind because this has the features that I want in a saw with the reliability. The only thing that could make this saw any better, if it was cordless and brushless, would that make it any better? It definitely would make it more convenient. I got some news for you, everybody. It's coming up right after this. I'm fired up, and you should be fired up about heading on over to our sponsor, VCG Construction, where you can find tech shirts, t-shirts, hats, stickers, all kinds of cool merch. Join the very cool gang. There's a link down in the description. So in this box, I have, it's like the perfect storm. We're talking about Skilsaw reliability with the convenience of being, number one, brushless, but more importantly, battery operated. I will say, pretty impressive battery it is. We're talking about 48 volts, 48 volts, true high voltage lithium ion voltage power coming out of that battery. 240 watt hours is what we're talking about. I'm going to give you all the specs. We're going to get this thing unboxed, but we got to admire the box real fast, okay? Let me see what you're seeing. I want everybody to know, number one, established 1924, Skilsaw, stay true. This is the saw. That's the saw. This is the saw that built America, right? They have a 180-day money-back guarantee and 1-year limited warranty with this saw. Did I say it's SPTH77M-22? That is the product number for this baby. You'll see included in this kit comes the saw, 2 batteries, a charger, a blade, and a dust port collector, dust adapter port collector thingy. I'm a little disappointed that it's coming with the Diablo blade. I'd rather it would have come with the Skilsaw worm drive blade. This is cool, okay, but I like it all blinged out, matchy. You know what I mean? If I'm putting on, my Adidas sneakers, I gotta put on Adidas socks. If I'm putting on Nikes, I gotta put on Nike socks. Yeah, really, I'm not joking. I'd like to have a little Skilsaw blade. Just saying. This is worm drive gearing. This is truly a worm drive saw. This is not a worm drive style saw. This is a worm drive cordless. Okay? It says the only cordless saw with worm drive gearing, legendary power to go anywhere. It's powered by true HVL, the battery platform designed to power worm drive. All magnesium construction with brushless motor and electric brake. Delivers job site durability and performance. We'll see the specs here. 5,800 no load RPMs. 13/16 diamond is the arbor size. We have a bevel capacity of up to 53 inches. Maximum cut depth at 90 degrees is 2 3/8 inches. We have bare tool weight is 11.09 pounds. Voltage for the platform is 48 of them. Amp hours is 5 amp hours. Watt hours is 240 watt hours. I know that might seem a little confusing to some of you that it's 240 watt hours. It's because it's at that 48 volts. 5 amp hours is equivalent to 240 watt hours. The true high voltage lithium has stay cool battery technology. Each cell is wrapped with a temperature controlling material that keeps cells cool to provide better performance. Innovative battery design. Distinct arrangement of cells evenly distributes to extend runtime. An intelligent power management system monitors and optimizes each cell to maximize power, performance, and runtime. We have our instructions. They're right on top here. Quite frankly, we're gonna hold off on these. We're gonna wing this together. I'm I'm gonna leave these right here though. If we need to, I'll refer back. First out of the box, this is the Skilsaw. This is pretty handsome. You're still gonna need to plug in your charger. I mean, we could talk about cordless tools all we want, but the reality is that as cordless as they become, it means you just need more spots on the wall or power strips to plug in all your chargers. But this is a pretty cool looking charger. I will assume that it is fan cooled. You can see we have a couple of indicator lights. Full charge is solid green. Charging is blinking green. High temp is solid red. Defective battery is flashing red. In this kit, we have 2 batteries. I will say this, these are pretty awesome looking batteries. They've come to us with 2 bars. You can see those lights start flashing. It's charging up. So it's not, when we hit the test light, it said it had 2 bars, but it's not a full 2 bars. So it's charging right now. You'll see the flashing green light here. Now we have 5 amp hours at 48 volts. Gives us 240 watt hours. Okay, what does that give us? Weight-wise, all of that equates to 4 pounds, 3.3 ounces. 4 pounds, 3.3 ounces is definitely not lightweight, but I feel like the way the cells are configured, it spreads the weight out, so it doesn't feel like such a brick. I will say this thing is handsome, number 1. Number 2, I gotta tell you, it's definitely lighter than my Mag 77. Okay? Now, it's all magnesium construction. We still have, I figured I would look it over and see where they maybe cut some corners. I'm not seeing it, number 1. We still have our ladder or rafter hook. Okay, we still have our presets for our bevel at 45 degrees. If you are accustomed and like a Mag 77 and like using it and are accustomed to all of the nuances of it, you're gonna feel like nothing has changed. The depth adjustment. Smooth as butter. Take a look inside here. You know, quite frankly, in the Mag 77, you could see all that copper windings, the armature, the brushes. The new SPT H77 M-22, you see like wires and some heat sinks and stuff. It looks very technological. Listen, and if you have one of these Mag 77s, you haven't maintained it in a while, it's not running like it used to, or you want to make sure that you're giving it proper service so that it can last for generations. Go on over to this video here. We show you how to change the oil. We show you how to change the brushes, the switch, the cord. Anything that could go wrong with this saw, that video has the guide, how to fix it. So they gave us a Diablo worm drive specific circular saw blade. You know what? Since we have both saws here and I'm here and you're here and we got this plywood here, actually OSB, I figured why don't we just do some test cuts? Maybe see how quick the Mag 77 can get through 2 sheets of 3/4 OBS, and then we'll see how fast its predecessor here, the SPT H77 M-22, can do the same task. Because why not?
Go. 6.46 seconds.
Okay.
Go. 5.63 seconds. Go.
I will say this. That one I pushed a little hard, and I started to veer off because I was pushing too hard. The blade was stalling.
6.01 seconds.
There you go. Sometimes slow is fast, and fast is slow. We got our fully charged HVL. Boom. I'll tell you this much. Whoa. I like the brake. I will say this. I feel like the saw is a little higher pitched than the brushed version and a little louder. It's definitely different. Let us know down in the comment section below if you want us to get out the decibel meter and get you a reading in a future video.
Go. .52 seconds.
You want to write that down? Or you're writing them? 5.52?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Go.
That had to be in the fours.
5.34 seconds.
It's getting close. I feel like we could break into the fours.
Go.
That was it. In the fours, baby.
5.11 seconds.
Woo! It was close. It was close. Average time for the corded Mag 77, 6.03 seconds to rip double thick 3/4 inch OSB on the 8-foot edge. Average time through the double thick 3/4 OSB for the SPTH-77M-22 is 5.32 seconds, which is almost a second faster. Unbelievable. Now, let's just say you didn't like all this man glitter and you wanted to use a dust solution. All you got to do is pop on your attachment onto the handle. This acts as the dust chute. Then you do is you tighten down this little butterfly clamp, okay? Now the good part is that even if you didn't want to use dust extraction, you just didn't want the sawdust shooting out off to the side, you could attach the dust solution and point it down so it will shoot downward, okay? But if you did want to use the dust solution, it looks as though it will accommodate many various sizes of hose. We're gonna pop it into our adapter. Boom, you'll see it's in there nice and tight. Boom. It's popped in there, good to go. So, dust free with the dust extraction on? No. But much better. You could see all the right in this area. Man, it's I don't know. It definitely was better. Reduced dust with the extraction. I gotta tell you though, unbelievable that you can get that much power out of a battery instead of plugging a tool into the wall. Battery technologies have come so far. Unbelievable. I can't wait to see what happens in the next 10 years. Will it be, I don't know, fluoride ion batteries? It'd be unbelievable. Leave it down in the comment section below. What do you think we're going to be powering with batteries in the future? And what do you think about our Skilsaws? Is there any further testing that you'd like to see us do? We want to know. Leave it down in the comments section below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.